Manufactured Modern Airs, Adrian Kinney here. I apologize, it's been a couple days. I think I mentioned last video that spring market has begun. So I've been running around like crazy with the clients out looking for houses. Stuff's moving very quickly. So get ready for another crazy year here in 2020 here in the Denver market. Up at the update here at the Cliff May that we are working on rehabbing for the clients we have. Moved a lot of stuff along, which is great. So I will get you flipped around here so you can check out everything that's been done. Okay, here we are. So you'll notice that there's a whole bunch of changes. So again, starting from the front door here, we've furred out these windows essentially here. So they now have the correct depth for the new vinyl windows to go into when they arrive in about a week and a half. So those can get put in correctly. Over here, and I apologize, we're in dark again, we have some light finally, but slowly working on it. We've got the drywall put up, which is fantastic, and I'm happy about that. So this wall kind of becomes that TV wall. As we talked about, that's going to be a window in the corner. As you get over here again, this is the kitchen space. We do have the underlayment down tomorrow, the cork floors, and the IKEA kitchen arrives, which we're super happy about. If you can look out here, since I have my light on, since it's all dark, let's take a peek, see outside. You can see they have a new fence put up with a gate. Again, stoked about that. And then out here, we've again moved the wall so that as you go this way, now you've got the garage that's facing out there. As it used to be over here when they redid it. This is kind of how they changed it back, and we're putting it back to the original space. You can see this is all nice and open out here. I promise you it looks really cool because it's open. But yes, that's looking nice. Nice new fence that's put up there. And getting back inside. Locking up the door behind me here. Again, it's kind of that furring up that we did to frame these in so that there's the right amount of depth here for the windows to sit on for that new sill. The other rooms are going to be pretty dark. Not all the lights are working, obviously, since the electrician's working on everything right now. But in here you can see the tile going in, and I'm really excited about this. I think it'll look pretty awesome. So that'll be in shortly. This bedroom, again, not much has changed. Kind of a staging space for the tile and whatnot that I've got. You can see in here, though, it has changed. We've got the lights getting ready to go into here, which is great. Then we're all set for that. This, again, is going to be that kind of mechanical room where washer dryer will go in that corner there, and there'll be a door here, so I actually have space to get in and out. As you come on down, you'll notice this drywall was put in, so now it's closed off, and then there will be a slider pocket door that goes in here. This will be the master closet for walk-in, so you've got a ton of space in here. The pan was poured here for the shower. Got all, again, this backer has been put in, so as soon as that's all done, then the tile will start going in here. This tile was a couple days behind, unfortunately, but everything else is good to go, so we're okay on that. And then here, same process, it's just got furred out a little bit so that the windows can go into those appropriately. But again, you can kind of see my terrible windows. But they're super kind of dirty. But you're starting to see that you can look across into the private courtyard, which I'm stoked about how it's closing off. You can see some of the paint work going on in here, and progress is happening. We can no longer walk through here, which is fine with me, because things are happening. So, kind of getting a little nostalgic. This is fun, because again, this was the house style, the exact layout too, that Kit and I lived in for 3 years, so it's fun to see when, again, in process, as we went through this, the one we lived in, plus 4 other Cliff Mays that we've done as well. So anyway, there's the update here. A lot more progress will happen in the next couple of days. Getting down to about 3.5, 4 weeks to finish this project up. but it's coming up rather nicely, and it's making the progress that I expected it to. So anyway, thanks for stopping in.